Toilets made before 1980 use 5 to 7 gallons per flush. Toilets made from 1980 to 1994 use 3.5 gallons per flush. Toilets now use only 1.7 gallons per flush. So today, I'm going to switch out this toilet. I got a free toilet from my mother because they just renovated their bathroom and they got a new toilet, but their old toilet wasn't that old and it's more efficient than this toilet. The average person flushes 5 times per day. If you had a toilet made before 1980, that would be 950 gallons of water per year. If you had a toilet from 1980 to 1994, that will be 6,387 gallons of water per year. Now we got it down to just under 3,000 gallons of water per year. So if you had a toilet that was made before 1980, one person would flush the toilet enough every year to fill up a 21-inch swimming pool. That's insane.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, how are you?
Pardon? I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm just curious. Obviously, you're home, but I was gonna come pick up that toilet, and I was curious if Steve's home to.
Oh, okay.
Would Steve be able to help me put it on the truck?
He's gonna come get the toilet. So when are you coming to get it? Because I'll try and clean it up for you.
I can come. I don't know, within the next half hour.
And the next, all right, I'll go down and just swap the water out of it for you. So.
Okay, that sounds perfect.
Okay. All right.
All right.
All right, sweetie.
We'll see you soon.
Okay. Okay.
Bye-bye. Let's head on over. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you? There's the throne.
Yeah.
Johnny on the spot has been received. .6 gallons. Well, we've got the toilet in, so now we got to remove the old one. Let's turn the valve off first. I think I've already done that. Yep, flush. And hold the lever down while it's draining. And that gets most of the water out. Hey, Olivia, come and help. Almost done, Olivia. Almost done, girl. Yes. Now we gotta put the bolts back on. It's always a good idea to replace these when you're putting in a new toilet, but I don't have one on me. So I'm just gonna reuse this one. And if it leaks, I'll have to replace it. It's not bad.
We got a little slow here.
Slow? Okay.
One. I can't see.
There you go. Alright, good job. Hey. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Another successful toilet install. And now it's time for supper. Give me. Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh, you're so strong. So strong.